Every week in this class, you're going to be responsible for writing out work by hand and then scanning that work and uploading it into Canvas. Before every test, you'll have to submit a multiple page document as your study guide that you're going to turn in. Okay. I'm going to put a video that shows you how to upload a document, but for right now I want to take a few minutes and show you how to scan a document. And the easiest way to do it, if you don't have a scanner at your house, is to just get the Dropbox app. And Dropbox is a really nice app because it's free. It will give you an online repository where you can put all of your documents and keep track of them all there. You can also use Notes on your phone. It now has a scanner built into it. But if you go into Dropbox, the Dropbox app opens, and at the bottom you will see a button that has a plus sign and it says the word Create. If I push that and then push Scan Document, the scanner comes up, and if I just hold it over my paper, over time it will scan itself. You can also push the button like you would if you were taking a picture. If I want to add multiple pages together, which many of your documents are going to be 2 or 3 pages long, you can just push the button that says plus in the bottom left corner, and it will then allow you to scan a second time. I now have a 2-page document that is in Dropbox. Once I save it, it's going to save as a PDF file. So if we go to File Name, let's call this one Guide. The file Guide is now saved within Dropbox in whatever folder you want to put it in, and it's ready for you to upload it directly into Canvas for the course. Okay? This is the easiest way to scan multiple page documents and upload them directly. If you don't do it that way, you can scan one page at a time and save each page individually, and Canvas will allow you to submit documents that way. All right. If you have any questions with anything, send me an email or come see me when I'm on campus, and I will help you to figure this all out.